Why is your internet so slow when you're out camping? There's free Wi-Fi, so why doesn't it work? Stop turning off your Wi-Fi to get better signal on your cell phone. Picture this. You're out camping trying to get online so you can upload some photos, check out nearby things to do, or even join a video call. But there's barely any signal on the campground. There is nothing more annoying than trying to stay connected while you're out camping or driving around the country in your RV, trying to stay in touch with family back home, but the connection constantly drops. It is so slow that you cannot send photos or watch a movie on streaming. Google Maps will not open. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow internet while you're out camping. Now, whether you're at a popular campground, in an RV on the highway, or backpacking in the middle of nowhere, there is a bunch of reasons why your internet could be bad. Most often, it's either that there isn't a cell tower close by, or if the campground has Wi-Fi, its range is too limited to reach the whole area. And if it's a popular spot, there could also just be too many people trying to get on the same Wi-Fi or trying to use cellular from the same tower, overloading its bandwidth. But it could be something else. But there is a fix. Now, not many people know that you can actually combine a slow network, like weak campground Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot, with other available connections like 4G or 5G to make one stronger and faster internet connection. This boost in bandwidth can be the difference between unusable internet and being able to stream a show or upload an album. The Speedify app makes this possible using an advanced technology called channel bonding. Speedify not only merges your internet connections, but it also detects when one of them is weak. Then it seamlessly transfers all your traffic to the stronger connection, so your connection will never drop out. Speedify is also a powerful VPN, or virtual private network, that encrypts all of your app and web activity to keep you safe and unblock apps and websites on public networks where they may be restricted, like campground Wi-Fi. But if you're out camping or road tripping with friends or family and you need an even stronger connection, you can actually join multiple mobile hotspots together wirelessly from all your devices to create one stronger, more stable internet connection for everyone, using Speedify's pair and share feature. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot, download Speedify for free on all your devices, and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular with each other wirelessly. So if you're tired of slow internet at campgrounds or in your RV, you know what to do. Just download Speedify from the App Store or the Play Store or Speedify.com and enjoy better, faster, more stable and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips like this.